Hello to everyone. You are watching KG Decor and Lifestyle. Today I gonna sharing with you some new ideas about dye Halloween decorations. Dye, dye Halloween decorations with household items. Kids of all ages can assist with leaf post, easy dye Halloween decoration. Gather fallen leaves and paint them with white. After they dry, you can go back and add eyes with permanent marker. Use the post to decorate a plain table runner or glue them to pumpkins. And how to make your own decorations for Halloween. Toilet paper rule eyes an easy way to get your spoke on. Spider mason jars, standalone ghost, mouse filled pumpkins, candy corn bars, creepy crawly hand soap, eyeball flowers, bloody candles. Think painted pumpkins, paper plate spiders, skeleton garlands, and googly eyed fake monsters. Some of these dyes even double as decor. Bleach pen, napkins, and spider web placemats are just a few fun examples. Other crafts on the list make for cool Halloween games. Ever played pumpkins tic tac toe? Halloween crafts for preschoolers. Make paper mac pumpkins, paper plate pumpkin mask, easy Halloween paper chain, turn yogurt cartoons into mini monsters, make spider bows for party food, shrink spooky shrink plastic germs, ceramic pumpkin light holders, toilet roll witchcraft. How to decorate at home. Bedroom dye room decor ideas. Frame prints. When it comes to dye home decor, you can't go wrong with classic frame photo prints. Photo tiles, inspirational coat art, string light photo wall, candles, tabletop photo prints, cutting boards, or coasters. How do you make sustainable Halloween decorations? Make use of natural items like straw balls, branches, leaves, pumpkins, and gourds to spice up your Halloween decor sustainably. If you have leftover paper or plastic bags, cotton balls, plastic bottles, or black garbage bags, dye Halloween decoration are a great way to put them to use. The most popular time to start decorating for Halloween is within the first 2 weeks of October. However, you can start putting up decorations for Halloween as early as late September. You should also consider the scale of your Halloween decoration when deciding on a timeline. And what products are used in Halloween? Costume, mask, and accessories. Staples of everyone's Halloween repeaters, costumes, and masks are the biggest expense of each household's budget. Accessories like fake weapons, blood, or others are next, followed by decorations and candy. Remember that you have a few different audiences to take advantage of. And how can you make your house look scary for Halloween? How to turn your home into a haunted house? Create a symmetry, hang up ghosts, make a scarecrow, scatter evil eyes around, put bloody handprints in the windows, add some spider webs, invest in a fog machine, play sound effects. What is a traditional Halloween decoration? That said, Halloween is about so much more than just pumpkin decorations. Peppermint pumpkins, black cats, witches, and skeletons are all popular motifs of the past things, spooky ghost decorations, and spider web decorations.